For those who are unfamiliar, the sheath clamps are the spring-loaded clamp arms on either side of the electrodes that hold the fibers in place during the splice. Similarly, the 8010 adapter plate comes pre-installed on the CT50 from the factory. To splice in this configuration, first slide on your protection sleeve, then strip the fiber with the smallest hole of the stripping tool, clean the fiber with the fiber cleaning solvent, and place it in the groove of the adapter plate with the clean glass spanning both cleaver pads. Cleave, then remove the fiber from the cleaver and place it in the splicer's V-groove, with the end of the fiber about halfway between the V-groove and the center of the electrodes. Close the sheath clamp lid to secure the fiber in place. On top of the sheath clamp, use the slider to toggle the secondary clamp between on, green, and off, which is yellow. This secondary clamp controls the splice after the sheath clamps are opened. Use the switch in the base of the sheath clamp to toggle the loose tube adapter feature between on, which is green, and off, which is red. The loose tube adapter introduces a protrusion from the sheath clamp base, allowing you to splice loose tube fiber with ease, eliminating annoying motor overrun errors. Alternatively, the fiber holders, also called chucks or sleds, are simple to use and allow a larger object to grasp when handling fibers. To splice using this method, you'll first convert from the factory setup by removing the sheath clamps from the splicer, installing the set plates in place of the sheath clamps, and removing the adapter plate from the cleaver. The adapter plate is the same size and shape as a fiber holder, so simply removing it allows you to load a fiber holder directly into the cleaver. Each fiber holder has a magnetic lid to hold the fiber in place and two guide holes to locate the fiber holder on the guide pins of the installed set plates. Once your setup is ready, simply load the fiber into the fiber holder with about 30 millimeters or 1.5 inches of fiber off the end. Strip the coating off the fiber, clean, cleave, and drop the fiber holder onto the guide pins to hold it in place. Splicing with fiber holders can improve ease of use and reduce handling errors during the splice. Once loaded in the fiber holder, the fiber doesn't need to be removed until the splice is completely finished. This means the cleave length will be the same every time, and the end of the fiber will always land in the same place in the splicer.